to the Bold Outdoors YouTube channel. We got Taylor behind us in the 2018 Polaris RZR XP Turbo Dynamix Edition. This here is a 2018 Polaris RZR XP Turbo Walker Evans Edition. We find ourselves on Ironclads, short little trail near Boulder, Colorado. Hopefully we find some deep snow. So far most of the trails have been icy like this, and we don't want that. We want to rock crawl and deep snow. Bit of info if you're new to the channel. We're rocking 32-inch Maxxis Rampages. Taylor just installed new 32-inch BFG KM3 UTV tires, running 5 psi in his machine. As I said, everything's icy and kind of crusted over. There's some deeper snow on more the southern end of Bunt School Road. Maybe we'll do some snow bashing over there. This is kind of a loop little system here. Normally I take like a clockwise position. I notice a lot of Jeeps do a counterclockwise. Again, maybe that's something else we'll include in the video. We'll go up this way, come back down, turn around, and then go up that way. This is the steeper climb this way though. You got a good drop here on your tire, but I think you're fine. That way. Well, you're better going that way except the tree's in the way. But, alright, abort mission. Here we're at the start of the Ironclads. We're going to go clockwise. It seems a lot of Jeeps make this trip going counterclockwise. Decent snow. Right there. lost Taylor. Not too bad. I'm concerned about getting a run from a dead stop like that. Easy peasy. Where's he at? Man, these tires just dig. Counterclockwise looked like a little bit more of a challenge of a climb with the ice and snow, and then also a little bit of a challenge coming back down the other side, trying not to slide off the mountain. Hey, but that's what we do. Damn. Oh, come on, man. I don't know. I think these Rampages is doing better than those BFGs. This will be run number 3. There we go. Speed. Got some speed. Go, go, go. Go, go, go. Rampages 1, BFGs 0. If you've been paying attention, I installed the new B&M XDR ratchet shifter. That is freaking badass. It's something I've always been curious about, and I got to try it on Taylor's machine a couple weekends ago, and he has the Trail and Rocks edition, so the OEM style. Look at this fool. So you want to do a tire review now? That's what happens when you bring a Texas boy to Colorado country. Yeehaw! All right, start of the loop. And some ice.
It's fun, but it's fucking dangerous. Fuck that shit.
Oh man.
Fuck that. Good. Glad you couldn't make it either. I knew that was gonna happen. I might have made it because I was carrying some momentum, but then I was just gonna run into you. I don't know. I probably wouldn't have made it. But dude, how fast do you think we were going when we were sliding backwards? 20?
Yeah.
That's pretty scary.
You just ride it out, man.
I didn't want to hit the tree. Alright, let's go play in the snow.